Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
It's the battle of the dash cams. In the left corner, we have the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD, and in the right corner, we have the Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam. It's a showdown between two powerful contenders.
Let's dive right in and see who comes out on top.
When it comes to capturing your drive journey, video quality is crucial.
The DKK Dash Cam offers a 1080p front camera and a 720p HD waterproof rear camera. It's like having eyes in the back of your head.
On the other hand, the Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam takes it up a notch with 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera.
It's like watching your drive in ultra-high definition. Driving at night can be a challenge, but these dash cams have got you covered.
The DKK Dash Cam comes with a WDR function that automatically adjusts the brightness, ensuring clear video even in low light situations. But wait, the Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam takes it to the next level with enhanced super night vision. You'll be able to spot even the smallest details in the darkest of nights. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. Now let's talk about the additional features that make these dash cams stand out. The DKK Dash Cam offers loop recording, which means it will overwrite the oldest video when the SD card is full. Plus, it has an accident lock feature that automatically saves and protects important footage.
On the other hand, the Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam also has loop recording and an accident lock feature, but it goes a step further with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity.
You can easily access and share your recorded videos on your mobile phone. It's like having a personal assistant for your car. Let's not forget about the design and installation process. The DKK Dash Cam comes with two mounting options, a suction cup for flexible placement and a 3M bracket for stability. It's like having the best of both worlds.
And guess what? They even provide a crowbar and cable clips to help you with the installation.
It's like a DIY project for your car. Now, the Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam also offers a touchscreen for easy access to all the features.
Plus, it's equipped with a supercapacitor that ensures optimal performance in extreme weather conditions. It's like having a dash cam that can handle anything. Overall, the DKK Dash Cam and the Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam both have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks. The DKK Dash Cam and the Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam both have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Remember, always do your research and compare products before making a purchase.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time with more exciting comparisons.